Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to give you the IELTS exam review of today's exam, that is 27th March 2021. Well, we will be discussing both the morning and the evening slot exam. And also guys, it has been mentioned already in my previous video that yes, exam for 27th March today was postponed, but only for some students, not for everyone, due to some government state norms. So anyways, let's start our today's review. Let's talk about the morning slot first. In listening, part 1 there were fill in the blanks, and part 1 of listening was easy. Part 2, match the information and multiple choice questions. Part 2 was easy again. Part 3, multiple choice questions, easy to moderate. And part 4, fill in the blanks, easy to moderate. Your overall morning listening was easy to moderate. If we talk about the titles, then for part 1, listening morning, the title was related to classical music. For part 2, related to restaurants. And part 4 was something related to sinkhole. So that this is the titles for the listening morning slot. Let's move on to reading. For the reading morning slot, passage 1 there were fill in the blanks, true, false, not givens, and the passage 1 was easy to moderate. Passage 2, the topic was change in reading habits, and it was easy to moderate again. Passage 3 of morning reading was moderate, and the topic was related to self-esteem. Your overall morning reading was moderate. Okay, if we talk about the writing task for the morning slot, task 1 was table chart, and the topic was the table below compares the use of water by 4 different countries and different sectors. And for the task 2, essay topic was employers should focus on personal qualities over qualification and experience when choosing someone for a job. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Moving on, now let's move on to our evening slot. For the listening, part 1 was easy to moderate, part 2 was easy, part 3 was easy to moderate, and part 4 was easy to moderate. Your overall listening for the evening slot was easy to moderate. Listening for morning and evening both were easy to moderate. Some students really found it very easy. If we talk about the reading academic, in the evening, passage 1 was easy, passage 2 was easy to moderate, and passage 3 was little moderate. Your overall reading was easy to moderate. It was little easy as compared to the morning slot. And if we talk about the evening writing task, then in task 1 it was a bar graph, and for the task 2 the essay topic was some believe technology has made our lives too complex and the solution is to lead a simpler life without technology. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Well students, at the end of this video we are going to give you band 8 sample answer tasks to morning and for the evening, both the slots, and the answers for today's exam will be published on the channel probably late night but surely in the morning tomorrow. And also if you fetch the titles and the passage for the evening slots as well, we will publish that as well in the other video. So please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Journal if you have not yet subscribed, and please hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification on your feed when we publish the answers video. I hope you do like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and the students who gave today's exam, best of luck for your results. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much students. Thank you.